welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got kit 35 of the U96. Lots of detail on here, there's lots of sprues. Unfortunately the instructions won't tell you exactly what everything is, but we just add them onto that deck head. There is one little piece here that's got lots of lovely detail on it, I'll show you in a minute. There's the deck head at the moment, it's after kit 34, and there is that's central compartment bulkhead. There we go, lots of lovely detail on that, excellent stuff. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, there we go. So that is frame 35.1, 35.2, 35.3, 35.4. This one has that lovely gauge on it. There we go, you can see detail on the other parts as well. It's a great feature, this build, is the actual detail. And then we have separation bar and this pipe. Okay, let's get on with the build. Okay, the first frame we need is this one, 35.3. We have J, K, L, M and N. There are no other descriptions than just that, so we'll get these off the sprue. There we go, that's all them off. Just make sure there's nothing extra on the edges. Right, just clear all these up. There's always a little bit when you take them off a sprue. Okay, those are the parts that we've got. Now these go in a specific order onto here. That one is J, which goes into there, and M goes there, like so. L, which is this little piece, that goes just there like that, and K will go there, and N will go here, just like that. I believe that is correct. Excellent. Get them glued into place. Okay, let's get these glued into place. Just a little bit on there. Get that one there. Make sure we get these the right way around. That one goes just in there. Now this little piece, having a further look at it, does go a certain way. It has got some detail on it. And it goes just there, like that. There we go. Make sure you get that way around. Excellent. Then all we're left with is these two pieces. That one goes there like so, and now we're left with this piece, which is N, so that's K, this is N, and that goes there like that. Excellent. So that's frame 35.3. Let's move on. Okay, next we have frame 35.4. So we need to get all these parts off here as well. There we go. Let's clean these up as well. There we go. We have O, P, Q and R. I don't know why they can't just give us some proper names. That one goes there. That's O. R slots in just nicely there. And P slots in there nicely. And we're left with a gauge, which is the only one with detail on it. Goes just there like so. Excellent, that's them four pieces. You can just see a faint line there below that gauge. In the instructions it looks black. Right, I'll get them glued into place. Okay, let's pull the first piece in. Nice and bonny. Goes just there like so. And that one does go a specific way because there is some detail on it, raised detail, but it's not coloured. I'll show you that in a sec. And obviously we got the gauge, so we can put the glue there for that. And we can put the gauge into place. Oops. There we go. There we go, you can see the raised detail on all of them now. The gauge looks superb. Excellent. Let's move on to the next frame. And here we have frame 35-2. We'll get these off. Excellent. Right, I'll clean these up. There we go. So we have 35-2. We have E, F, G, H and I. Now that piece goes just there like so, and this piece goes next to it. Seems a bit rocky that actually, but that is correct. And that piece goes in there. Well, it will do eventually anyway. I think all these are solid, yep. So we need to get E and F in place first. Okay, I managed to get F in. It doesn't want to come out now. So I'll have to put some glue on the back for that. Quite a tight fit, but that is E in place. That is F. There it is. It can be a little bit awkward at times. A little bit of glue there at the back. That'll be fine. Excellent. Let's give that a minute to set. Okay, now we have G in here, H in there. No, sorry. G in there, I in there, and H there. So this is G, so that will fit there like so, and this is I, which will fit there, and H will fit just there like that. So I'll get them glued in place. First off, we'll start with this piece. Make sure we get that dot right. That can go there. Excellent. Now we can get I in place, just here. Yep. That slots in nicely there. Now we'll get H in place. And again, you want this piece the correct way around. There we go. There we go. That's those four pieces in place. Let's move on to the next frame. Okay, we have 35-1. So we'll get these pieces off here. Yeah, there's some more detail on the back of these as well. There we go, so we've got A, B, C and D. Yeah, I think these are fine. A little bit there. Right, so what do we need first? Okay, so we need C, which goes just here into this little slot. Not too easy. There we go. That's C in place, and now we want D, which goes into here. There we go, it goes into E like that. So we've got C there and E there, and now we need A, which will go over here. Just there, and B will go alongside it. Again, a bit awkward for my fingers. There we go. So A, B, C and D, I'll get these glued into place. As a matter of fact, A and B I'm going to glue on the back. There we go. And I'll do that with C as well. See, it was awkward to get into place in the first place. Alright, we'll take D off, even though that is quite solid. We'll get some glue on here. Should be enough. There we go. I'll take that position as well. There we go. We can see all four of them. A, B, C and D. Excellent. Looking brilliant. Lots of lovely detail. Last but not least, we have this separator bar and this pipe. Now the pipe, I believe, goes here, like so. Goes with the curvature of the deckhead, and this separator pipe, you can see that the connections there are angled, so let's take that off for now. So that will go on there like so. That will keep it looking quite straight and upright. Excellent. Let's get these glued into place. So that pipe goes just there. Excellent. And that's quite solid, that. So I'll put some glue on the back for this one. Brilliant. There we go. That is kit 35 complete. Lots of lovely detail. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go guys, that is kit 35 complete, looking absolutely brilliant. Look at that, loads of detail. That's the best thing about this build, is the actual detail. Now kit 36 is going to be a few days from now actually. I'm a bit busy at the moment, so I can't get around to doing kit 36 just right now, so just have to bear with me for that. But kit 33 and 34 are up, obviously this is 35 and it's looking absolutely hunky-dory. Kit 36 we have a periscope to fit into place. I've got it down there somewhere, but there's lots of detail on it and it's probably going to be another long-winded video, but anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next few days for kit 36. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.